Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change language in Binomo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change language in Binomo, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your device settings. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply scroll down until you find the option that says language, or just simply on the search bar type in language. And once you type on language, all you have to do is select the language that you want, and once you do that, the Binomo app will add up the new language settings automatically. If you are using an iOS, simply open the device settings, go to the general, then tap on language and region, then choose your preferred language, and the Binomo app will reflect the language change. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.